dos y... Dos. Es difícil pararse. No puedo.
Who can say no to a cool waterfall only 30-minute drive from Anchorage? One of the most popular first hikes for families with small children. This road is seriously frozen. Wow. This is good.
Look. The birch trees, they are...
Yes, they're just fallen down by the wind. Look at the birds on the road. Birds or what are they? Birds?
Yes. Yes. Hey. Hey. They are red. Oh my God, look at those colors.
This is the place.
Thunderbird Falls.
And where do we have to walk from there? The 1-mile trail to Thunderbird Falls traverses a handsome birch forest to reach a deck with views of a 200-foot waterfall. The trail climbs steeply at first, gaining about 100 feet in elevation. Then the route levels out and becomes an easy walk. If you like our videos, please do not forget to click on the thumbs up icon and give us a like. It is a great free way to support us. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends.
Down will be easy. Going up, I don't know.
They classify this walk as easy, something you can do with your kids, so.
Bueno, aquí todo es relativo. Cuando dicen que está warm.
No, it is okay. We just have to go slow. And we are wearing Cromptons, so we won't slip. We have got a very good grip.
Aquí le está súper bien. River. Y acá está más ancha. Hi. I found another type of vine.
Mira este puente.
Parece que estamos en la casa del terror. Solo falta que me salga un monstruo por aquí.
Estamos en salón de Navidad, no en casa de terror.
Salón de Navidad monocromático.
Waterfall.
Wow.
Aquí es la cascada congelada.
Look, baby. Lots of luck.
Yes.
It symbolizes
people come here and put the locks to lock their love.
Oh, I don't want to lock mine. I want to be free.
Exactly. They do it in Paris also, on a bridge on the river Seine. In fact, there were so many locks there that the bridge was under danger of breaking due to weight of the locks. And they had to hire somebody to cut open all the locks and throw them away. While in summer, you can feel the spray of the waterfall on your face while standing on this deck. In winter, the falls freeze, forming fabulous columns of blue ice. But be careful. If you choose to do this walk, you must wear Cromptons on your shoes because the route can be very slippery.
No, no se puede. Mira, ¿quieres poner tu huella ahí? Oh my God. 1, 2, 1, 2 y... ¡Oh! La mitad de mi cuerpo.
You are a snowman.
1, 2. Pareces un año viejo. Es difícil pararse. Oh my God, me caí. Oh my God.
Make sure there is no ice inside the gloves.
No, there's not. It's very difficult. Okay.
We have been walking in the temperature of -12 degrees centigrade.